Thousands of people make mistakes every day in Benidorm. Today we're going to show you how to avoid them and have a much better holiday. One of the biggest mistakes isn't the hotel itself, it's booking in the wrong area. If you love nightlife, Levante and Newtown are perfect. But if you're after a quieter holiday, Poniente could be a much better choice. And if you want Spanish charm, history, the old town is hard to beat. A lot of visitors will spend their whole holiday around Levante beach, and while that's fabulous, there's so much more to Benidorm. Just a short walk away you will find the old town, with the narrow streets, tapas bars and some of the best views over the city. It's tempting to stop at the first restaurant you see, especially after travelling. But if you walk just one or two streets away from the busiest areas, you often find better value and a more authentic experience. Benidorm sunshine is one of the reasons people love coming here, but in the summer it can get incredibly hot. Drink plenty of water, wear a hat, and don't underestimate the midday sun. A morning or an evening walk is often much more comfortable. Most places take cards, but I recommend carrying some cash for small cafes, bars, market stores, and the occasional place that prefers cash for smaller purchases. Levante beach gets all the attention, but Poniente beach is a completely different atmosphere. Malpass is one for the locals, a hidden gem between the two beaches. If you've got time, try all three beaches and let me know which one's your favourite. Let me know in the comments. Some of Benidorm's best memories ain't of the beach at all, heading up to the cross or visiting the balcony del Mediterraneo for views you'll never forget. Benidorm is a great place to explore on foot, but in midsummer I'd avoid long walks during the hottest hours of the day. Early mornings or evenings are much more enjoyable. Benidorm is famous for its beaches. That's only part of the story. Explore the parks, the old town, and the viewpoints, and the local markets, and you'll discover another side to the resort. So those are my biggest 10 mistakes tourists make when they're visiting Benidorm. Hopefully, by avoiding them, you will have a much better holiday. I'd love to know what you think. Have you made any of these mistakes, or do you have one I haven't mentioned? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this helpful. Please give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and join me on the next one for another honest guide to Benidorm. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.